that you work for one of the Honda plants, and you probably know more about these than I do, but I wanted to make this video to introduce myself so you have a face to recognize when you do come into Tameron. I can't wait to meet you. Just go ahead and call me and let me know when to set up your VIP appointment. My number is 205-719-7191. Again, my name is Elise, and whenever you do make it into Tameron,